Have you been struggling to organize your content creation process or improve your editing workflow? Or you just don't know which apps are worth your time? In this video, I'm sharing my top 5 free apps that every content creator needs to know about. Hi, I'm Taya. I'm a travel content creator and I post weekly videos inspiring other content creators how to elevate their brand, travel more, and land paid collabs. First up is Notion. Notion is a game changer for pretty much anything. I use it for planning my social media content, my YouTube content. I use it for my yearly goal tracking. I use it to keep track of collabs and UGC work that I've done. Honestly, there's not a day that goes by where I don't use this app. I tell people once you figure out Notion, you'll never put it down. So let me know in the comments below if you want a video showing how I use Notion. Next up is CAPCUT. It's perfect for editing both short form and long form videos. I use it to edit my Instagram reels, my TikTok, my YouTube shorts, and even my YouTube long form videos. This video has been edited with CAPCUT. So initially I was using iMovie, but then I wanted to try using CAPCUT just because I'm very familiar and comfortable with using CAPCUT from other content that I've created. The biggest benefit, in my opinion, is using the transcript-based editing. This is a little setting that you can click which will help you see all your words and easily identify any long pauses, filler words, or whatever. I just need to cut out the video. It's simple to use, but packed with a lot of information, and they are unfortunately starting to switch a lot of the free features to become paid features. However, I found a way to avoid using the pro features and using them on like other platforms or other apps because I cannot justify that price. Not right now. I'd love to remove a background, but also, editing on a desktop or computer is 10 times better than editing on a phone. If you know, you know. For creating stunning graphics, thumbnails, and digital products, use Canva. Every single digital product that I have made on my website and all the carousels that I post on my Instagram, on Pinterest, wherever, have been made with Canva. While I personally use the pro version, and trust me, it is worth it. You can still get away with the free version for a long time and still be able to create beautiful graphics. If you're finding this video helpful, go ahead and give it a like and subscribe for more content creator tips. Teleprompter, oh my gosh. Y'all, I am so surprised that this app is free because mind blown. If you're recording short form, talking head videos especially, this app is literally like a gem. It lets you input your script, adjust the speed, adjust the size of the text if you can't see, like everything. But it has helped me so many times in making sure that I maintain eye contact while still being able to see what I need to say when recording that short form content. It helps me stay on track and deliver my points confidently. Lastly, for photo editing, Lightroom is my go-to. The mobile app is free and it gives you access to a lot of professional settings. There are pro versions, but I have been able to do all of the nice editing 100% free. While you can go in and edit each picture individually, I like to create presets based on typical lighting. So for example, I have a fall preset, a summer preset, a sunny one, a indoor one. So you can make different presets so that when you upload those pictures and you want to edit them, you can literally do it with one click. Lightroom and creating presets can also help you create a cohesive Instagram feed because you can continue to use those presets to create that same aesthetic and tone across all of your pictures. If you made it to this point of the video, comment the word apps so that I can know who my real ones are. These 5 apps have literally never let me down, and if I don't use them all daily, I definitely use them a few times a week. Let me know which app you're most excited to try, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated on future videos. I'll see you next week.